Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another Canva tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how we can create some neon shapes using neon. So great for projects, this type of thing. I'm on a 1000 by 1000 canvas just with a black background. Let's just click on elements, and here's our shapes that we're going to make neon. So we can choose any shape, it doesn't really matter. Let's go with this one. For starters, this square shape. We can just hold down the shift key to keep it square and just center it, something like that. That should do us. Just want to remove the background here. I'm going to add a border. Maybe a border of a size 10 would be fine. And let's choose the colour of our border. So maybe let's choose a pink. That's usually a good, like a neon colour, isn't it? Like yellow and green and red and like a turquoisey blue. They seem to work quite well. Anyway, that is there's our little square with our pink outline. I was going to save this now. I'll just put square one, save it as square one. Just click on file and download, keep it as a PNG. I'm a pro member, so you get the transparent background, as you can see. So I'll just save that transparent background. If you don't have pro, if you don't have that, don't worry about it, because you can use just one of the free services online. So if you just put in Google free image transparency, you can use Lunapic to do that, or remove.bg is very good. So you can choose any of those. Just type in free image transparency if you're on the free version. If you're on the free version of Canva. So right, let's delete this now, and then we can upload our image. So just file and import the file, and then just choose the file. So there's our square one. So just upload that now, and then just place it inside our canvas, something like that. Right, so we can click on this image, and then we can edit photo, and now we've got the blur option. Now it's an image, so we'll just click on blur. You can check the intensity here. The more intensity you do, the wider these lines will come, and they go less faded, so you can just keep your eye on you can see they come a little bit wider, and as you reduce the intensity, obviously it'll go back to the original. So I keep it normally in the middle, about 50 the intensity, something like that, and then we can download that. Same thing. I'll just change it to square 2 before I download it, and then file and download. Choose the transparency again. Same again, just use the free options on Google if you don't have the pro version. And there's our square 2. So I just need to upload that file now. Okay, there we go. So there's our images now in square 1 and square 2. Let's just bring in the blurred one. Drag that in here. I want to increase the intensity of this glow, so I'm just going to click on the duplicate button, center it again, and duplicate again. You can do this probably 3 or 4 times, depends on your project really. Something like that should do, and then we can bring in the actual original, the square one. So bring that in, and then just drag that out. And there's our neon shape. You can just bring the old one into the center, and give you a better idea of what it was before, and you can see now it's like a neon. You've got the blur going inside and outside of the line, which is most important. And you can play about with this, get it exactly as you want it, but makes there's great options to do different designs and graphics, whatever you want to do with neon. especially when you add some neon text to this. And I'll show you what I mean in just a second. So that it's the same with all the shapes. You can triangles and whatever. Exact same principle with the just with a different shape and a different colour. But some colours work better than others. So pink works well. You can say blue. Turquoise blue works quite well. A very luminous type of green, bright yellow works well. They're the best colours that grab the attention. Let's just remove this now. But it also works with outlines as well. If I go back. So here we have a cat. So we can use this cat that same way. Let's just put the background in again. There's our cat. So let's see to colour our cat. Let's give it a bright colour. Let's stick with the pink, seeing we're on pink. And there's our cat. Something like that. Right, so you can see this is just an outline of a cat. There's all different outlines that you can that you will find in Canva, and you can see them. Obviously, there's lots of image libraries online with vector images, outline images, that type of thing. On Pixabay, places like that, which you can also use in your projects. So let's just save that. Same thing again. Oops, let's call it Cat 1 before we get confused. Just download, same thing again, transparent background, and then we can upload our pussycat. We can remove that now. Okay, there's our pussycat uploaded. So let's just change this to Cat 2. Same thing again, only two files. What the actual original and the blurred file. So we just need to bring this back again. Let's snap it into place. And then we can edit the photo, back to blur, and same thing again. It's more of a complicated outline, this obviously, with a pussycat than the actual square option, but it all works in exactly the same way. So I would probably leave it on the 50. I think that's fine. And then we can just download that transparent background, same thing again, exactly like we did with the shape. And then we can import that file. Right, there's our Cat 1 and Cat 2. So we can bring in our Cat 2, the blurred image. And then we can duplicate this exactly the same way. Just line it up again after you've duplicated it. You can see it getting brighter and brighter. Just do it till you think that seems to be quite bold enough. Something like that. Then we can bring back our original pussycat. You can see the difference in the sharpness and the blur. So let's just drag this pussycat out now. And there you go. There's your neon pussycat. Looks exactly like a neon sign that you would see, well, maybe outside a nightclub, maybe the Pussycat Club. Actually, let's have a play about with this. We can do that, but we'll just save that as it is now, that file. Okay, I've just uploaded our cat 3. We can place this in here now. There you go. Right, let's add some neon text. Let's have a bit of fun. So we can go to our text, and then let's choose heading and just choose in here neon. Let's see what designs they've got for neon. This Harlow solid looks quite good. So let's stick with the Pussycat Club, and drag that out. And I'll just change the actual line space in there just so it meets up, just so it joins in with that. I'll leave that one as it is. I think that would do. Now let's just colour this now. Colour the text. Why not go with the same pink, shall we? And then click on effects and choose neon. And let's arrange our pussycat. So it looks like it's touching that. There you go. That'll be an excellent neon sign for a nightclub, wouldn't it? The Pussycat Club with a neon pussycat and the neon and the actual neon sign. So there you go. There's a neon pussycat, neon shape, neon outline that you can just work with any neon font and text. Obviously, you can put this in a box if you wanted, but you can do what you want. You can put join 3 lines together, and then just group them together and do the same system as this, making it luminous. You can do all sorts of things if you want to create a luminous sign. It's entirely up to you. But anyway, that is it for this tutorial, how to do neon shapes and neon outlines. Have a bit of fun yourself. Don't be scared of trying different things. It's just fun to learn. Anyway, my name is Mark Anthony. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. And of course, subscribe to support this channel, which is everything connected to Canva design. I hope you enjoyed it today. As again, my name is Mark Anthony, and I'll see you again in the next video tutorial. Take care and bye for now.